Shilpa Shetty and Raj Kundra are one of the few couples in Bollywood who don't shy away from giving a sneak peek of their life to fans. And yesterday, being their little daughter Shamisha's birthday, the couple shared some adorable videos of their baby girl. Take a look.
Okay, a small test to see if this one's got my Punjabi genes. Oh, balle, 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 balle. Oh, brah. Oh, balle, 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 balle. Oh, brah.
हम हंसते उतने कर रही है
Shilpa welcomed daughter Shamisha through surrogacy. Talking about it during an interview, the actress had shared, "After Vian, I did want to have another child for the longest time. But I suffered from an autoimmune disease called APLA, and that came into play every time I get pregnant. So I had a couple of miscarriages, so it was a genuine issue." What are your thoughts on the video? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.